सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Page 218, verse 252. विवेके द्वैतमिथ्यात्वम् युक्त्यैवेति न भण्यताम्. अचिन्त्यरचनात्वस्य अनुभूतिर्हि स्वसाक्षिकी. अनुभूतिर्हि स्वसाक्षिकी. The student is asking, Dvaita Prapancha Anubhava is my direct experience. It is Pratyaksha Anubhavam. Dvaita Satyatva, that means Jagat Satyatva Anubhava is my Pratyaksha Anubhavam. You are talking about Jagan Mithyatvam or Jagat Mithyatvam, but I am not able to understand that Dvaita Mithyatvam directly. My direct experience is only Dvaita Prapanchasya Satyatvam. I am not able to experience Dvaita Mithyatvam directly. Therefore, all the time Dvaita only comes in my mind. Dvaita means what? Duality, different forms, different colors, differently. They are only appearing to me all the time. In spite of attending Vedanta classes and listening, Dvaitam is mithya. But heart of the heart in myself, my inner conscience is telling, Dvaitam is satyam, Dvaitam is satyam, Dvaitam is satyam. You are talking about mithyatvam through logic, yukti. Yatu yatu drishyam tatu tatu mithya. You are telling, logic you are using. Yukti pramanam is always inferior to the pratyaksha pramanam. Pratyaksha pramanam is upajivya pramanam. Yukti is upajivi pramanam, secondary pramanam. The primary pramanam, pratyaksha pramanam, is only upajivya pramanam, powerful. Therefore, pratyaksha pramanam gives me Dvaita Satyatvam. Yukti pramanam alone gives me Dvaita Mithyatvam. Therefore, yuktya eva viveke sati Dvaita Mithyatvam siddhyati. This is the student's conclusion. Student says what? This world is mithya. Not pratyakshama, but through logic. Yuktya eva, yuktya viveke sati. Viveka means vichara. I use the logic, and through logical application I do inquiry. Once I do inquiry, I arrive at Dvaita Mithyatvam siddhyati. Siddhyati to be supplied. Yuktya viveke sati Dvaita Mithyatvam siddhyati. This is in inverted commas, students' understanding. This Dvaita Mithyatvam is possible only through yukti. Now, this yukti is known as here sadhanam. It is a means. Logic is a means, sadhanam. So, what I get through this logic, I can get that inquiry sadhyam. That is called viveka or vichara is the sadhyam. What is the phalam sadhyam? Another, through inquiry, you get mithyatva jnanam. Mithyatva jnanam is sadhyam. Now you have to understand, yukti is sadhanam, viveka is sadhyam. That is vichara. Viveka is sadhanam, mithyatva jnanam is the sadhyam. Last class, I have introduced this topic. I said I will explain today in this class. Now, the student, according to him, through yukti, I come to know this mithyatvam. The world is mithya. If you say so, yukti, because of yukti, mithyatva, dvaita mithyatvam will take place. Appadi aidam. Yuktinal dvaita mithyatvam siddhikum. Siddhyati. Appadi sollakudadu. That is not right. Through yukti, you come to vichara. Vichara jnanena mithyatva jnanam will come. Jagat dvaita mithyatva jnanam alone will come. Yukti will never make the world mithya. Dvaita mithyatvam, jagat, the duality of the world is unreal. That cannot be acquired directly through yukti. Dvaitam mithya, through logic. No, dvaitam mithya is not the correct word. Dvaita jnanam. See, this is dvaita, the knowledge of duality. That what I am having, it has to be deleted by it mithyatva jnanam. I have dvaita jnanam. So what should come? Dvaita mithyatva jnanam should come, not dvaita mithyatvam. Since I have dvaita buddhi in the world, the dvaita buddhi place lo mithyatva buddhi should come. It is unreal. The jnanam is important there. You cannot make the world mithya. The reality you are giving in your mind, that you have to take out. If I say an example, you understand. Yatra yatra dhumaha tatra tatra vannihi. Wherever there is smoke, there is fire. Wherever there is smoke, there is fire. If you say, smoke is the creator of the fire. Wherever smoke, there is fire means what? Wherever smoke is the creator of fire. But smoke is not the creator of the fire. Smoke is jnapakam, natu utpadakam. Agni utpadakam na bhavati. Smoke creates Agni, or smoke gives the knowledge of Agni. Once you see the smoke, smoke gives the knowledge of Agni. But smoke never creates the Agni. Therefore, yatra yatra dhumaha tatra tatra agnihi vannihi, agni or vanni means dhuma is not creating the fire. Smoke is not, dhuma means smoke. Smoke is not the utpadakam of Agni. Yes, smoke is not the creator of Agni. Smoke creates Agni. Because of Agni, smoke comes. How can smoke create? So, yatra yatra dhumaha tatra tatra vannihi means you should not take smoke as the creator of the fire. Then what? Yatra yatra dhumaha tatra tatra vannihi means yatra yatra dhumaha tatra tatra vanni jnanam bhavati. Vanni jnana utpadakam. It is the helper. Smoke is helping means to know there is fire. Yatra yatra dhumaha, wherever there is smoke, what that smoke does? Agni, jnana, utpadakam. Utpadakam na parantu bodhakam bhavati, jnapakam bhavati. Gnapaka means it reminds us. It reminds us there is fire. It is not the creator of the fire, it reminds us there is fire. So not utpadakam, parantu gnapakam. Similarly, understood the example? Similarly, yukti, yatra tatra yuktihi, tatra tattva mithyatvam. You cannot say. Yatra yatra yuktihi, logic. Tatra tatra dvaita mithyatvam. You cannot say. If you say like that, yukti is alone creating the dvaita mithyatvam. I don't. Yukti dvaita mithyatva utpadakam na bhavati. Yukti dvaita mithyatva jnana bodhakam bhavati. Therefore, yukti utpadakam na bhavati parantu gnapakam bhavati. It reminds us how yukti dvara vicharaha, vichara dvara dvaita mithyatva jnanam. So, yukti is not the decider of dvaita mithyatva. Dvaita mithyatva jnanam comes, then only you understand. So, yukti is the sadhanam and vichara is the sadhyam, inquiry. Without inquiry, yukti also useless. You have to do inquiry. So, vichara or inquiry is the sadhyam. Then vichara is the sadhanam for what? Dvaita mithyatva. Kasya dvaita mithyatvam? Jagataha. Jagat, the world false, it is false, unreal, that knowledge comes through inquiry. What inquiry? Logical inquiry. Therefore, don't say na bhanyatam, never come to that conclusion. Yukti eva iti. Achintya rachanatvasya anubhutirhi swasakshiki. Every one of us, all of our experience is what? Dvaita prapanchasya achintya rachana. Rachana means formation or creation. This creation is achintya rachana. Achintya means inexplicable. It is inexplicable. We all of us know that. What? This creation. Can you explain about this creation? How all beings have come? In the mother's womb, the baby's life starts from the dot. Then slowly, kannu, kalu, kai, ella, slowly it comes. How it comes? One hand come and leg come and stick there? No. You cannot explain that. Achintyam. You cannot think about it. You cannot explain about it. How jivas have come because of karma. How karma has come because of janma. How janma has come because of karma. Which one is first? You cannot explain. That is why achintya rachana jagat. Seed is first or tree is first? Seed only first. How the seed has come without tree? No, tree only first. How tree has come without seed? Is it explicable? Therefore, achintya rachana. Fate is first or free will is first? Which one is first, fate or free will? You cannot talk about. Even scientists are also not able to talk about this creation, how life has come into beings. The life principle, how it has come. They are not able to arrive at any conclusion. Therefore, they say a big bang came first. After that big bang, a lot of soup came. Hot soup became cool. Once it became cool, the earth also became cool. Then evolution has started. After evolution, life has entered. They say like that. But we don't accept that. Life has born newly, it is not correct. What we say, Atma Chaitanyam was there before this evolution. Before evolution itself, Atma Chaitanyam, Chit is there, life principle is there. That Chaitanyam manifest in the form of Chidabhasa. That is called life. Chidabhasa is called life. They do not know that. Scientists do not know what is Chidabhasa. What we explain, life comes in the sense Chidabhasa manifestation is called life. Before this Chidabhasa come into manifestation, Chit was there or not? Before your face is reflecting in the mirror, your face is there or not? Your face is there. Therefore, before Chidabhasa forming, Chidabhasa is called life. Before Chidabhasa is forming, Chit was there or not? Chit was there. Therefore, you cannot talk about this creation. It is Achintyam. Achintya Rachana. Now all of us, it is our direct experience or not? What is karma, what is janma, we do not know. How birth is happening, we do not know. Achintya means inexplicable. The creation, formation, origination is inexplicable. Every one of us know. That is why it is mithya we are telling. Now he says, I know it is achintya rachana rupam, it is inexplicable, but I cannot accept it is mithya. Student. Who? Panchadashi student only. Okay. I accept it is achintya rachana, seed first, tree first, tengaya, tennamarama. I understand it is achintyam, but it is mithyatvam, mithya, unreal, I am not able to accept. Then we say, my dear, whatever is achintyam alone is called mithya. Okay. Whatever is achintyam, whatever is inexplicable, that alone is technically called as mithya. Whatever is inexplicable or achintyam, that alone is called technically mithya. Achintyam is equal to mithya. Understand? Don't say, I know achintya rachana, but I don't know mithya. If you know achintyam means it is mithya nartham. Whatever mithya is achintyam. Therefore, achintya rachanatvasya anubhutihi, experience. Tarhi swasakshik, it is self-evident, experienceable for all of us. How that life is coming, we are not able to explain. How this creation is happening, we cannot explain. All of us, it is self-experience or not? Swasakshiki means self-evident. Ellarkum nanna theriyum. Eppadi varadi creation inexplicable ani ellarkume theriyum. That knowing this is inexplicable, it is called mithyatvam. You need not go for yukti for that sake. Its mithyatvam, its falsity is evident because it is inexplicable. Its falsity, I do not know that word is there or not in English. Its false nature, world is unreal, mithya. If you say it is called achintyam rachana. Clear? Up to here we saw in the last class. Next shloka. Chidapyachintya rachana yadi tarhistu no vayam chitim suchintya rachanam Brumo nityatva karanat. Second line, Bruma, it should be. In the down, you have to give ukara, Brumaha. The inexplicability is there in the world. Clear? Now he says, student, this inexplicability means the origination or formation of the universe is not explicable, you are telling. Why can't there be inexplicability in Chaitanyam also? In Chaitanyam also, this Achintya Rachana, let it be there. He is asking, chiti api, chit api, achintya rachana yadi, if chit api, chit also, chaitanyam also, achintya rachana bhavati. Achintya rachana means inexplicable formation, inexplicable origination, inexplicable creation. Chit chaitanyam, world is inexplicable creation. World is one inexplicable formation. World is inexplicable origination. Same way, why can't I say this Chaitanyam is also inexplicable origination or inexplicable formation? Why can't we say? For that we have to answer. Tarihi astu. Vidyaranya says, Yadi, up to that you full stop. No? Yadi chidapi achintya rachana bhavati. Vidyaranya says, Tariha astu. Yes, we accept. We accept. Let there be a achintya rachana in Chaitanyam also. Inexplicability in the Chaitanyam also. Both are common. Dvaita Prapancha also inexplicable. Brahma Chaitanyam is also inexplicable. You cannot explain what is Brahma Chaitanyam. You cannot talk about that Chaitanyam. It is inexplicable. Okay, let them be there. Both of them have same common feature, Achintya Rachana. And Vidyaranya says, we never said Brahman is Suchintya Rachana. We never said Brahman is explicable. When we said, that's what he says, Vayam Chitim Suchintya Rachanam Nabrumaha. Chitim, Chiti or Chit, both are one and the same. Ikarantaha, Strilingaha, Chiti Shabdaha. Chit or Chiti, both are one and the same. Chaitanyam ityarthaha. Chitim, in Chaitanyam also, Chitim, Ikarantaha, Strilingaha. There also, Suchintya Rachanam iti vayam na brumaha. We have never said, we don't say that Chaitanyam is explicable. Suchintya, Sushtum Rachana, that means it can be explicable. We never said vayam na brumaha. Suchintya Rachana means clearly explicable. Iti na brumaha, vayam na brumaha. We don't say Chaitanyam is explicable. That means what? Chaitanyam is also inexplicable. Brumaha, bru dhatu, braviti, brutaha, bruvanti, bravishi, brutaha, brutha, bravimi, bruvaha, brumaha. Uttama purusha bahuvachanam, brumaha. Vayam na brumaha. We never say that. Why? What is the reason? Why we don't say? That means what? We are accepting Chaitanyam also inexplicable. We don't say Chaitanyam is explicable. Suchintya Rachana iti na brumaha. Chaitanyam is also inexplicable. But there is a difference between Jagat Achintya Rachana, Chaitanya Achintya Rachana. Inexplicability of Chaitanyam and inexplicability of the world, there is a difference. What is the difference? Nitya Karanat, Nityatva Karanat. Chaitanyam is Nityam. Chaitanyam is Nityam, because of this reason it is inexplicable. Whereas Dvaita Prapancha is Anityam, it has got origination, therefore it is inexplicable. Nityatva Karanat Chaitanyam Achintya Rachana. Anityatva Karanat, because Dvaita Prapancha is Anityam, therefore it is inexplicable. Inexplicability is same. But because of what it is inexplicable, there is a difference. Clear? Therefore, Nityatva Karanat. Inexplicability is different. Why it is inexplicable? Chaitanyam, it is Nityam. Nityam means what? It is eternal. It is eternal means what? It is not formed, it is not created, it is not originated. Whereas Dvaita Prapancha, it is originated, it is created, it is formed. Rachana means formed. Chaitanyam is not originated, not created, not formed in course of time. It is Nityam, that is why it is inexplicable. కొంచెం tough topic in the 3-4 శ్లోకంగా. Chaitanyam is inexplicable because it is Nityam. Nityam means it is eternal. It is eternal means it is not created, it is not formed, or it is not originated. That is why it is inexplicable. Whereas Dvaita Prapancha is also inexplicable, but it is originated, it is created, it is formed, it is Anityam. In saying both are Achintya Rachana, we don't have any difference. But Jagat is Dvaitam Mithya, it is Achintya Rachana. You should not say Chaitanyam also Mithya because it is Achintya Rachana. In Achintya Rachana, rendu merkume common illaya. Adinale Mithya nu sollo. Munnadi enna sono? Achintya Rachana is Mithya nu sono. Technical name of Achintya Rachana is Mithya, we said. Adikulla marandittu. Technical name of Achintya Rachana is Mithyatvam. Now Chaitanyam also Achintya Rachana we are accepting. That is what you are accepting, Mithyatvam of Chaitanyam also? No. There is a difference. It is Nityam, therefore it is not Mithya. Chaitanyam is not Mithya because it is Nityam. Whereas Dvaita Prapancha is Anityam, therefore it is Mithya. Whatever is product, it is originated, it is a product. Whatever it is product is Mithya. But Chaitanyam is not a product. It is an eternal, it is Nityam. It is not Karyam. Therefore, it is different from world. How student also sometimes, over intelligence, extending. Achintya Rachana and Chonna is Rundume Achintya Rachana Danena. Achintya Rachana is Mithya and Chonna Namo. Oh, Chaitanya also become Mithya. So, how problem, If you say one word, you have to be very careful. Now you got this sloka. See, Chidapi Achintya Rachana Yedi Tarihi Astu. We accept Achintya Rachana. But Chitim Suchintya Rachana Vayam na Bromaha. It is explicable, I never said. Namakname Matikaram Parungo. So we never said it is explicable. Therefore, what? It is inexplicable. If you say inexplicable, Adi Mithya, Ide also? Mithya Aganame, Adi Idenna. Adenna Dvaita Prapancha. Idenna Chaitanya. Since Dvaita Prapancha is Mithya, Achintya Rachanatvat, Brahma Chaitanyam also, Achintya Rachana, therefore it is also Mithya, you should not say. Aane karram kodrai kurram madri, nobody cholla kodade. Therefore, it is Nityatva Karanat Achintya Rachana. Anityatva Karanat Achintya Rachana. Therefore, it is Mithya. Brahma Chaitanyam is Satyam. Next shloka. Pragabhavo nanubhutah Chitir nitya tataschitihi Dvaitasya pragabhavastu Chaitanyena anubhuyate. Dvaitam Prapancha has got creation, therefore it cannot be explicable. Chaitanya has no creation, therefore it is also not explicable. Dvaita Prapancha has got creation, It is born, therefore it is inexplicable. Chaitanyam is not having creation, it is not born, therefore it is inexplicable. Now, Vidyaranya drawing a question from students' question from the previous shloka, and he is going further. Further threadbare analysis he is doing. My dear student, you are telling Dvaita Prapancha has got creation, it is Achintya Rachana, therefore Mithya. I said, you have extended that Achintya Rachana to Chaitanyam. Okay, now Chaitanyam is Achintya Rachana, let Chaitanyam also have creation, you are asking. Suppose Chaitanyam is also was non-existent before, it is also born. Suppose, according to you, the student, Chaitanyam is also born. Suppose you say Achintya Rachana, it also has got creation, formation, Chaitanyam. That means what? Chaitanyam also has got date of birth. Isn't it? Chaitanyam also has got date of birth. Creation. It is created. Before that, creation means what? Date of birth. Before date of birth, it was non-existent. If you say creation, Chaitanyam also created, it is having formation. Therefore, it is Achintya Rachana. If you say, my dear student, the Chaitanyam must have date of birth. If it has got date of birth, means before its date of birth, date of birth, action பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன். Before its date of birth, it was non-existent. Before date of birth of that Chaitanyam, it was non-existent, is called Prag Abhavaha in Tarka Shastra. In Tarka Shastra, prior non-existence is called Prag Abhavaha. Prior means not prayer. Prior, P-R-I-O-R. Prior non-existence. Before birth, it was non-existent. Correct தானே? எல்லாமே before birth non-existent தானே? So before date of birth, it was non-existent. Who? Chaitanyam. If you take Chaitanyam also has got formation, creation or origination, before its birth it was non-existent. Pragabhavaha. Now I am asking you, who proves the Pragabhava of Chaitanyam? Chaitanyam was non-existent. Who proves that? One must prove. Chaitanyam was not there. Who will prove? Our mothers were the proof for our non-existence before our birth. புரியலையோ? கொஞ்ச நேரம் ஆகும் புரியறதுக்கு. Our mothers, all of our mothers were the proofs. They were proof. They prove. What they prove? Kanna, before your birth, you were non-existent. Amma சொன்னா நம்புவோமா இல்லையா? So our mothers were the proof for our non-existence before our birth. So before our birth we were non-existent. Pragabhava asti. Anantaram utpattihi abhavat. Anantaram janma abhavat. Utpatti. Anantaram date of birth has come. நம்ம விஷயத்தில் அம்மா இருக்க proof. இப்போ consciousness also pragabhava. Who is the proof? Suppose consciousness is the proof to prove the non-existence of consciousness. Consciousness is the proof or matter is the proof? Question. Consciousness பிறக்கிறதுக்கு முன்னாடி இல்லையா అని சொல்றது யாரு? கான்ஷியஸ்னஸ் சைத்தன்யம் பிறக்கிறதுக்கு முன்னாடி அது இல்லை అని சொல்றதுக்கு ப்ரூஃப் யாரு? கான்ஷியஸ்னஸ் இஸ் த ப்ரூஃபா இல்லைன்னா மேட்டர் கான்ஷியஸ்னஸ் இல்லைன்னு சொல்லுமா? கான்ஷியஸ்னஸ் கான்ஷியஸ்னஸ் அது பிறக்கிறதுக்கு முன்னாடி இல்லையேன்னு சொல்லுமா? இல்லைன்னா மேட்டர் கான்ஷியஸ்னஸ் பிறக்கிறதுக்கு முன்னாடி கான்ஷியஸ்னஸ் இல்லைன்னு மேட்டர் சொல்லுமா? யாரு சொல்லுவா? Let us think over. Suppose consciousness comes and tells consciousness was prior non-existent before its birth. The prior non-existence of consciousness is proved by consciousness. Can it be absence of consciousness? Is it non-existent? Suppose consciousness comes and says, consciousness was non-existent before its birth. Suppose consciousness says, conscious is the proof. The prior non-existence of consciousness, is it non-existence of consciousness? That means consciousness is not non-existent. Pragabhava pesaradhukku consciousness irukku sonna adu abhavam eppudagumu? It is not abhava, it is existence. So consciousness cannot say. Consciousness is not the proof for the prior non-existence of consciousness. If consciousness is the proof for the prior non-existence of consciousness, it is not prior non-existence, it is existence. It is existence of consciousness. என்ன கான்ஷியஸ்னஸ் பேசிட்டு இருக்கே? எப்படின்னா நம்ம கிளாஸ்ல உட்கார்ந்து ஸ்டூடெண்ட் கிளாஸ்ல சிட்டிங், சுவாமினி ஐ எம் நாட் இன் த கிளாஸ் சொன்னா எப்படி இருக்கு? ஐ எம் நாட் இன் த கிளாஸ். So, you are not, your absence is not proved because you are telling you are absent. Since you are telling you are absent in the class, you are present. You are telling in the class la irundende. Class la irundende naan class la illa nu sonna adu abhavama bhavama? Bhavam, not abhavam. Abhavam na non-existence, bhavam na existence. I am not in the class. When you are in the class, now sitting in the class, suppose you say I am not in the class, I am non-existent in the class, it is non-existent or existent? You are existent or non-existent? Existent. Therefore, it is wrong. That same way, consciousness says, suppose consciousness was not there before its birth and sonna, adi wrong. Why? Consciousness is already there, it is telling consciousness is there. Therefore consciousness cannot be the proof to prove the non-existence of the consciousness. Consciousness is not the proof to prove the non-existence of the consciousness. Okay, let us matter can prove the consciousness. Matter can prove the consciousness. The pot is a matter. Pot cannot know itself. How can it prove the non-existence, prior non-existence of consciousness? Pot, matter cannot know itself. Any matter for that matter. Any matter cannot know itself. How can it prove the non-existence, prior non-existence of consciousness? So matter also ruled out. Then who proves the prior non-existence of consciousness? No one can prove. Therefore what? Nityam. Chaitanyam, the consciousness is not having prior non-existence. It was, it is, it will be. That's what in the sloka. இவளை சொன்னா இந்த ஸ்லோகம் கொஞ்சம் புரியும். பிராகபாவஹா ந அனுபூதிஹி ச na anubhutihi chitehe. Chitehe means of that chaitanyam. Pragabhavaha na anubhutihi. You cannot experience the prior non-existence. Pragabhava means prior non-existence. Prior non-existence means before birth it was not there. That experience is possible? Not possible. Chitehe pragan abhavaha na anubhutihi. Why? Since you cannot experience the prior non-existence of Chaitanyam, either matter or consciousness, both cannot experience the prior non-existence of the consciousness. Therefore, tataha, because of this reason, chitihi nitya. Therefore, chaitanyam, chitihi means chaitanyam. If you put one extra takara, it becomes chitti. You put extra one dot, takara ki oru dot, pakkathila pottana chitti aidum. Chitti amma oda tangachi, na chitti aidum. Okay, chitihi, plain ta, one ta. Chitihi nitya bhavati. Nitya is strilingam, chitihi is strilingam, therefore nitya bhavati. Therefore, chaitanyam is eternal. Dvaitasya pragabhavaha tu. Chaitanyasya pragabhava you cannot experience. What about Dvaitam? Dvaitam you can experience. Dvaitasya, the Jagat, non-duality of this universe. Dvaitasya pragabhavaha, prior non-existence. Before the origination of this creation, it was not there. You can experience. How do you know? Shastra Pramana. Tasmadva etasmad atmana akashas sambhutah akashad vayuhu vayoragnihi agnerapah. Therefore, it is having prior non-existence. World is having prior non-existence. Why? It has got date of birth. It is born. It is a karyam. It is a product. Prabhavaha tu chaitanyasya kasya anubhuyate. Chaitanyena anubhuyate. Chaitanyam alone is experiencing. Who is experiencing? Pralaya kale srishti purvam jagat nasti. Pralaya anantaram also jagat nasti. This jnanam bhavati va nava. Before creation, this universe was not there. Dvaita abhavaha. After pralayam, destruction also, this srishti jagat won't be there. Therefore, pradvamsa abhavaha. Pragabhava, pradvamsa abhava. Shastra pramanam is there. Shastra nane pramana swami namak theriyadena. If you want that also, go to sleep. When you go to sleep, Rahu grasta divakarendra sadrisho maya samachhadanad sanmatra karanopasamharanato yobhu sushuktah puman. When you go to sushukti, what dvaita prapancha you have? Abhava is there or not? Before you are waking up, in the sleep, is it not pragabhava? Dvaitasya pragabhava. Is it not prior non-existence of duality? Thukkathula enna theriyuma edavadhu? Dvaita abhavam irukka illaya? Nethu night தூங்கவே இல்லை சுவாமின்னு. அப்படி சொல்லாதுங்க, தூங்கிட்டேன். Dvaita abhavasya chaitanyena anubhuyate. I have experienced. எப்படி? எனக்கு ஒண்ணுமே தெரியல சுவாமி. என்ன தெரியல? துவைத்தமே தெரியல அண்ணா. I don't know anything. Kinchid na avedisham. That means Dvaita has gone. Dvaita abhava, who experienced? I myself, chaitanyena, I am conscious of. I was conscious of that non-existence of duality in my sleep. Shastra pramana dvara srishti purvam dvaitam nasti, srishti anantaram pralaya kale api dvaitam nasti. Of course, nidra kale api dvaitam nasti. Chaitanyena anubhuyate. Parantu chaitanyasya pragabhavaha kaha anubhuyate? Kena anubhuyate? Who can experience the prior non-existence of consciousness? No one. If consciousness experience, it is not prior non-existence. It is existence. Matter cannot experience. Therefore, poitu vana. Pole, innu kekra. What he is asking? He is not asking. Vidyaranya is concluding, Nigamanam, in this 55 and 56. Pragabhavayutam dvaitam रच्यते हि घटादिवत् तथापि रचना चिन्त्या मिथ्या तेनेन्द्रजालवत्. Another hair splitting analysis, already breaking our head further. Same topic is developing. If you say consciousness is also having achintya rachana, it is also having creation, formation, if you say problem, not only that, that problem leads to so many other problems. Here Maya is not under discussion. We are discussing only two topics. அது தெரியணும், என்ன பேசுறாமோன்னு தெரியணும். Maya is not under discussion here. Then what we are discussing? Dvaita Prapancha and Chaitanya. Advaita Chaitanyam. This அவன் என்ன சொன்ன ஸ்டூடெண்ட், எனக்கு சைத்தன்ய ஞானம் இருக்கு, பிரம்ம சைத்தன்ய ஞானம் இருக்கா, பட் அத்வைத ஞானம் இல்லைன்னு சொன்னான் முன்னாடி. I am not experiencing non-duality, I am experiencing consciousness Chaitanyam. He said, what we said for that? Chaitanyam is Advaitam, Advaitam is Chaitanyam. When you are having the experience of Chaitanyam, that itself is Advaitam. Advaitam vere, Chaitanyam vere. For that what we said? No, I am experiencing Dvaitam, I am not experiencing Advaitam, he asked. Even though you are experiencing Dvaitam, it is not countable, we said. We said, I am telling you, remember? Dvaita Prapancha, if you want to experience the Advaitam, you want to destroy Dvaita Prapancha. Adhikda, you close your eyes. Either close your eyes or destroy the Dvaita Prapancha. Suppose you close your eyes also, at thought level you are closing Dvaita Prapancha. Object-wise you are not destroying. Therefore what we said, easy method. You need not stop your Dvaita thoughts. You need not destroy the objects. Let them be there as it is. Thoughts cannot disturb Advaita Chaitanyam. Objects cannot, Dvaita objects cannot disturb Advaita Chaitanyam. Dvaita Prapancham Patinde Nan Advaitam Brahma ane claim Pandalam. Ye Dvaita Prapancha cannot be counted. Why? It is mithya. It is unreal. Therefore, what is the problem for you? Dvaita Prapancha, if I say I lose my Advaita Jnanam Swamini, don't say like that. That's why closing the doors, sitting inside, doing meditation, samadhi and that. If you close your eyes, you stop the thoughts, not the outside people. After some time, they come and knock your door. How much time you sit in meditation or samadhi, and how much time you can stop your mother-in-law not to disturb. She go on disturbing, suppose. Let her disturb, mithya. Advaitam cannot be touched or afflicted. Because Chaitanyam, Jnanam alone is Advaitam. Advaitam alone is Chaitanyam. That is lower order of reality. I am higher order of reality. Where is the problem? The student க்கு எங்கேயோ ஸ்னாக் ஒரு ப்ராப்ளம். என்ன ப்ராப்ளம் தெரியுமோ பாருங்க, என்ன ப்ராப்ளம்? பிராகபாவயுதம் துவைத்தம் ரச்சதேஹி घटादिवत. Just like a pot, घटादिवत. घटा means pot. Pot like etc. Pot, desk, any other products. They are pragabhavayutam. They were not there before its their origination. They were all non-existent. This pot was not there before that pot maker creating it. It has got what? Prior non-existence. Whatever has got prior non-existence alone can have their birth. Whatever can have the prior non-existence, pot was not there. It has got prior non-existence. Therefore, it has got birth. Therefore it is karyam. It is a product. It is clear. That's what first line. Pragabhavayutam dvaitam. The entire universe is like a pot. The entire universe, the dvaita prapancha, this dvaitam, entire universe, different people, different forms, different colors, different names, ella dvaitam, dvaitam, dvaitam. Duality or duality. Braino, brain, madri. Duality or duality, anna. Dvaitam, pragabhavayutam. It is associated with prior non-existence. This is having birth. Before its birth, it was non-existent. Therefore, it has got what? Prior non-existence. What is Tarkika word prior non-existence ki? What is the technical term of Tarkika to prior non-existence? Shaddamave varla. Pragabhava. Prag means prior. Abhava means non-existent. Prior non-existent. Swami. Namak prior non-existent. I am buddhi prior non-existent. I am panchadashi poha. The existent. Okay. Praga, these words, otherwise you cannot understand. You will doze off. Pragabhavayutam. Who is that Pragabhavayutam? Who is having prior non-existence? Dvaitam. Rachyate. It has got prior non-existent. It needs creation. Rachyate means it has to be formed, it has to be created, it has to be originated. Okay, it is originated. Like what? Ghatadivat. Like pot, matter, cat, rat, all. Everything is created. Adipadat. Griham, desk, everything, all beings. Rachyate means formed, created. Like a pot, like etc., etc. Tathapi rachana achintya. Tathapi, even then, moreover, this creation is achintya. It cannot be deciphered. Achintya means inexplicable. Sonna vishayanda pudusa vannilla. Namakku nalla puriyanamenu solraru. Achintya, it is inexplicable. What? Rachana. What rachana? Pragabhavayutam dvaitam yat rachyate, that ghatadi prapanchaha achintya bhavati. Inexplicable. Like what? Mithya tena indrajalavat. Just like magician's creation. And the magician gnapam irukano. Previous slokas visa 142, 143, 144 like magician, not musician. Magician creates so many things. Are they real? Before they were not there. Before he is coming to the stage, they were not there. Prior non-existence is there or not? They have prior non-existence. After coming onto the stage, he has created. He has created. He has created. Utpatti. Origination. Rachyate. Are they real? Mithya. Unreal. Mantrikavat. Indrajalavat. They are all Indrajalavat. Similarly, the entire creation, Dvaita Prapancha, is also like a Indrajalam. Next shloka. Chit pratyaksha tatonyasya Mithyatvam chanubhuyate nadvaitamaparoksham cha ityetannavyahatam katham. No kashtam. 255 sloka, some more points I have to tell to make you to understand the next shloka, connection. All products are mithya. Okay? Yatu yatu karyam, tatu tatu mithya. Clear? Karyatvat, ghatavat. This is our law. All products are mithya. Point number 1. ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டண்ட். அசைடு பாயிண்ட் தான் ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டண்ட்டாக இருக்கும். All products are mithya. Mithya means unreal. All products are unreal. Isn't it? Next statement, all unreal ones are not products. All unreal ones are not products. All products are unreal or mithya. All mithya or unreal ones are not products. எப்படி இருக்க? ஏறுறது பிரெயினுக்கு ஹீட் இன்க்ரீசிங். நோ, ஆல் ப்ராடக்ட்ஸ் ஆர் மித்யா, அன்ரியல். ஆல் மித்யா ஆர் நாட் unreal. Just like an example, all lions are courageous. Example, all lions are courageous. All courageous ones are not lions. புரியுறதோ? All lions are courageous. Can you say that vyapti, generalization, all courageous ones are lions? Human beings also, some people are courageous. அப்படின்னு சொல்லி lion சொல்ல முடியுமா? Therefore, all lions are courageous, but all courageous ones are not lions. புரியுறது இல்லையா? எக்ஸாம்பிள் சொன்னா நல்லா புரியுறது. Therefore, all products are unreal, but all unreal ones are not products. சுவாமினி எதுக்காக சொல்றேன் சுவாமினி? இது புரியவே என்ன? புரியும் பாருங்க. All products are unreal. Second statement, what we said, all unreal ones are not products, I said. And the second statement edukahana, all products are unreal, all unreal ones are not products, I said. Suppose unreal ones are also products, Maya is unreal. Maya is unreal. Unreal Maya also will become product. If we don't say all unreal ones are not products, நம்ம சொல்லலன்னா இந்த மாயா என்ன ஆகும் தெரியுமோ? ப்ராடக்ட் ஆயிடும். இஃப் இட் இஸ் a ப்ராடக்ட், மாயா இஸ் ப்ராடக்ட்னா இட் இஸ் அனாதி. இட் cannot be a product. Maya is not a product, it is anadi, beginningless. Whatever is beginningless, product has got beginning. Maya has got beginning. Maya is anadi, so it is not a product. Therefore Maya is not a product. That is why all unreal ones are not product, I said. Suppose you say Maya is a product, whatever is a product, whatever is unreal, and the second statement அது ரொம்ப ஜாஸ்தியா இருக்குன்னு நினைக்கிறேன், ஓவரா இருக்கும். இது போதும், இது இந்த வரைக்கும் போதும் இன்னைக்கு. I don't want to take too much. This statement you remember. Second statement, I pick up the thread in the next class. What is the statement? All products are unreal, all unreal ones are not products. If I say all unreal ones are also product, Maya is unreal, Maya also will become a product. Since Maya is not a product, therefore all unreals are not products. Since Maya is not a product. இது ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க. இதே அப்படியே கொண்டு வந்து நெக்ஸ்ட் கிளாஸ்ல செகண்ட் பாயிண்ட் ஐ டெவலப் ஆன் தட். ஓகே. பூர்ணமதః பூர்ணமிதம் பூர்ணாத் பூர்ணமுதச்யதே பூர்ணஸ்ய பூர்ணமாதாய பூர்ணமேவாவசிஷ்யதே. ஓம் சாந்தி சாந்தி சாந்தி. ஹரிः ஓம். ஸ்ரீ குருभ्यो நமः. हरिः ओम्.